해봐.
또 이게 뭐지? 몇 달러 지금
Baba Bowie.
Oh putain, j'ai envie de chier là, je viens d'entrer du travail, je vais tuer les toilettes.
Oh, okay. Well,
Ai! Ai, que susto! Você quase que me mata de susto!
What are you doing?
ขึ้นมาไม่เกรงใจหลวงพี่หน้ารถเลย เฮ้ย เดี๋ยวดิ
Who's Kevin?
Kevin!
Oh!
I'm carrying your love with me.
Home. You guys should be ashamed of your cuddle puddle. I'm sorry, son. Oh my god.
I just want to love you.
Do you know how important you are? You are very important.
Gary, since your birthday, you get the birthday hat.
Agenda. I'm a mechanic.
What's wrong now? What is it?
Hello. Si ves lo que ando haciendo con tu prima Lola, que no sé qué tenga en la pata. ¿Qué pasa con...?
Hay que drogarse, chavalos. Están jóvenes ustedes, tienen todo el cerebro nuevo. Hay que drogarse, no le echen a perder ahí pensando chingaderas, mujeres, puñetas y la verga. Droga, droga y cheve.
啊。
Flashing bandits and wants to take just a small sleeve. He EB and Neebies to Sleeby.
Stop.
Take your laptops and electronics out the bag. If you got a hoodie on, take it off. Take it off.
Hola putas, les saluda Claude Speed y hoy vengo con las pelotas.
Mal atlama.
Look.
Who the said you couldn't eat my food? Ow!
Oiga mi reina, lávese las patas. Ella se hace la loca cuando.
I mean, I kind of have OCD.
You mean obesity?
Hi.
Не трусся, сука, залазить.
Salakisın gerçekten. Ay yok. Kimya?
If ghosts are not real, then how do you explain this?
Oh, Gypsy. You cannot have an entire loaf of bread! Stop it! What'd you do? What'd you do? Would you like me to call her off? Sweetie! Sweetie! Hey! Nashi, over here. You have to drop your toy. Nashi. Drop your toy. Drop Ellie. Nashi. Con ella sola. Ini bolanya.
Para pipiru.
Này, chú.
Huh?
Hello everyone. Thank you for being here today. I'm excited to share a heartwarming story with you titled, Lazy Mio and Her All-Day Nap Life. If you enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Of course, if it's not your style, feel free to skip it, no hard feelings. Now, let's begin the story. From the moment the sun peeks through the curtains in the morning, one thing is certain in our house. Mio is still sleeping. She is a small, round ball of fur with the softest gray coat and a chubby belly that rises and falls ever so gently with each breath. Mio has earned the royal title of the Queen of the Cushion, and rightfully so. Her favorite spot is the big, squishy pillow on the living room couch. If she could speak, I'm sure she'd say it was made just for her. While other cats may leap and climb or chase after every moving thing, Mio has a different philosophy. Why run when you can nap? As the birds chirp outside and the world stirs to life, Mio stretches one paw, then the other, lets out a tiny yawn, and goes back to sleep without a care in the world. Breakfast? She'll get to it eventually. Playtime? Maybe tomorrow. Right now, the blanket is warm, the pillow is soft, and that patch of sunlight by the window is just too perfect to ignore. Though she may look peaceful and still, Mio's mind is full of excitement. She dreams in colors and scents, in fluttering butterflies and bouncing yarn balls. Sometimes, her little paws twitch in her sleep, and her tail flicks as if chasing something. I like to imagine what she's dreaming about. Maybe she's on a royal adventure, sailing a boat made of tuna cans with a crew of mice wearing tiny hats. Or maybe she's flying above the clouds on a giant fish-shaped pillow, waving at clouds shaped like snacks. Sometimes she mumbles softly in her sleep. "Mro," she says, followed by a soft sigh. It's hard not to smile when I hear it. She's so deeply relaxed, completely safe, and wrapped in comfort like a purring dumpling. Even when I walk around or turn on the TV, Mio rarely wakes up. The only sound that might make her open one eye is the crinkle of a snack wrapper. But even then, she'll only lift her head slightly, blink twice, and decide that sleep is still more important. She sleeps on the couch, then moves to the windowsill, then curls up in the laundry basket full of warm clothes. Each nap location is carefully selected for maximum coziness. Mio is, without a doubt, a professional napper, and she takes her job very seriously. Sometimes I wonder, how can a cat sleep so much and still be the happiest creature I know? But that's the magic of Mio. Her laziness is not about doing nothing. It's about enjoying the little things deeply. She finds joy in warmth, comfort, and being near the people who love her. When I'm working or feeling stressed, I look at her and instantly feel a little calmer. Her slow breathing, her quiet purring, and the peaceful way she curls into a ball. It all reminds me that sometimes it's okay to pause, to rest, to do nothing and enjoy it fully. In the evening, when I finally settle down on the couch, Mio always climbs onto my lap, gives a slow blink, which I've read is a cat's way of saying, "I love you," and falls asleep once more. Her purring is like a lullaby, soft and steady. Even though she's lazy, her presence is a kind of gentle love that fills the room. Mio may not run marathons or climb curtains like other cats, but she has a special kind of charm. She makes doing nothing look like an art form. She teaches me to slow down, to enjoy quiet moments, and to appreciate the beauty of a lazy day. Because in the end, what's better than a sleepy afternoon with a warm cat in your arms, purring away the hours? In today's fast-paced world, where productivity is often valued above rest, Mio's story reminds us of the importance of slowing down and appreciating life's quieter moments. Just like Mio, who naps peacefully and embraces comfort without guilt, we too need to create space in our lives for rest and reflection. Many people push themselves to be constantly active, working, planning, rushing from one task to the next, believing that doing more means achieving more. However, this constant hustle can lead to burnout, stress, and even health problems. Mio, with her peaceful presence and lazy charm, teaches us a valuable lesson. Rest is not a waste of time. It's a vital part of well-being. Taking regular breaks, enjoying cozy moments, or simply being still can help recharge our minds and hearts. In fact, some of the best ideas and clearest thoughts come when we're relaxed and not overthinking. So, let's learn from Mio's sleepy wisdom. It's okay to pause, to take a breath, and to enjoy the warmth of a sunny spot or the comfort of a soft pillow. Life is not just about running. It's also about resting. In the end, balance brings more peace than constant motion.